Guys, welcome to another update on Airdrop. So there are certain things I want to talk about since the last time I talked about French Factory. Number one is on this location, okay, where your face is showing, or your picture is showing, or your avatar is showing. When you click on it, it brings out this option. It tells you your coin balance, and it also shows you your league level. Okay, so currently I'm in 3 million over 10 million on the sapphire level. Also, you can also check out your transaction history. Okay, so you can see this is my current transaction history. I lost a lot of coins defending myself against those trying to blow up my factory, which in the end they ended up doing so. That's a story for another day. Actually, a very interesting story. Okay, so that aside, there is also the premium. So recently I used the premium, the daily premium. So it helped with auto sending workers to work. That's what it does. Auto renewal of shields, okay, and auto tap, which means no need to tap. The bot will do it for you and give you your diamonds, okay. And there is the huge discount, 20% discount on the purchase of swords, shields, and dynamite. Okay, so if you have funds to spend, you can do that. Okay, there is the weekly, there is the monthly. Okay, monthly is 5,000 stars, Telegram stars. Weekly is 1,500 stars, 250 stars. So if you can afford it, fine. If you cannot, then just stick to tapping and doing your thing. Okay. So then as to free using your diamonds to buy workplace, okay, it is limited to 20 for you to use diamonds. Anything above 20, you have to use stars to be able to purchase workplace. Okay, and when it comes to buying workers, okay, try to buy those that does not have shield. Anybody that has a shield, it definitely means that that person is how do I put it this way? Anybody that has a shield means it belongs to the person, belongs to somebody. So when you buy them, you can attract a whole lot of heat for buying those people, like I experienced yesterday. So I just want to share this update with you guys, okay. So that's it. That's it for the update. If you haven't joined Friend Factory, go ahead and do so. And happy mining. Okay, take care and bye for now.